Hey guys, welcome back to a burst of flavor baking. This morning I'm going to be making a cheesy onion bread, which is both gluten-free, keto-friendly and diabetic-friendly. Now for this bread I'm going to be using yeast. I'm using the yeast simply for that flavor, that traditional taste of bread. The yeast will not have an impact on the flour since we're using gluten-free flour. It is therefore optional and you can ditch the yeast and simply use the baking powder in this recipe. If using yeast, proof your yeast in 1/8 cup of warm water. Place 1 cup of almond flour and ½ cup of coconut flour in a bowl. To this, add a tablespoon of psyllium husk, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder, and combine. Now make a well in the middle of your flour mixture and add 2 large eggs. Also add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. I am using coconut oil in this recipe. Combine these wet and dry ingredients well. By this, for those of us who are using yeast, our yeast is ready, it should be proofed, so we can add it to the mixture and combine. Set this batter mixture aside and let us get ready to make the filling. For the filling, you need 3/4 to 1 cup of sautéed onions. Add 1 clove of minced garlic, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Optional, you can add a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. And if you like spicy, go ahead and add a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed pepper. Add 4 tablespoons of softened butter. And combine all these ingredients very well. This is your onion filling. We're also going to need about a cup of your favorite cheese to make this cheesy onion bread. Now it's time to assemble everything together. Put a thin layer of the batter at the bottom of your deep baking pan. Add the cheese atop of this layer. Now put another thin layer of the batter on top of that cheese layer. The exciting part, it is now time to add our onion filling. To top it off, add the remaining of your flour batter and sprinkle it across the top of your bread. Bake the bread at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for anywhere between 40 to 45 minutes. This bread is best eaten warm and it stores well in the refrigerator, I'd say for at least up to a week. And so this is one of those tasty treats that you can just resort to. Grab it from the fridge, reheat it in the microwave or even in the oven and have it on the go. Guys, this is one of those things that proves that the keto diet is not boring. It is not confined to just 1 or 2 different meals. There can be bursts of flavor in every meal. So guys, get out there, keep exploring in the kitchen, enjoy it, lose weight while you're at it, or for whatever reason you're on your keto diet, keep at it because you can do it and you can have fun while doing it. So enjoy this recipe. Remember to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. And until next time, walk good.